My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Chomzy of the Big Brother Naija Level Up season don't come under fire after she come out come celebrate her stepson birthday, and also Phyna don't come out come call out a particular church. So Phyna come out today come they tell us the story what happened as she dey drive past a particular church bus. Na lost choosing na be the church. She say as she dey drive past, she see say their bus break down. They can't stand for road, they stranded. So she got they say they for carry sticker they gum the bus, since they believe to say putting sticker for everything go automatic and bring miracle for them. So make una listen to what she talk for herself.
No boy, I can't. As I was going, we just saw a bus, which church with that, just a lot choosing. All those people they wear something on top of their clothes, green. Lot choosing their bus boy. Like this normal BRT, that long bus. It was, we just passed, that's why I couldn't get it. And they were all outside wearing that green thing that they used to wear. So I was now wondering how their bus go spoil. Why not choosing bus go spoil? Why? But I got sticker put to make the motor start. That should be one to say got sticker for lot choosing sticker for gas, never feel gas for 3 years. Bro, all of them, more than 100, they're outside. What? May they contribute all of their sticker put for that motor, make motor move. It's crazy.
So now don't hear Phyna now. When me anything where we say concern Christianity, religion, anybody religion, me I not even like put my mouth for there. Everybody go do alright. So onto Chomzy matter. Chomzy stepson, the boy click 1 year few hours ago, and Chomzy and her husband come out to come celebrate the boy. From the rumor where we say we dey hear from the street, like for those of now when know as this story start between Chomzy and this her husband. The man was married before, and the wife, allegedly they say they beat the woman, those type of thing. Even pictures surface on internet, so many things where we say the proof to say he beat her, all those type of thing. So with everything we're going with the first wife, before we know it, we dey hear saying they marry Chomzy. The first wife don't first come call her Chomzy to say Chomzy they harass her for her life, and the husband too they cheat on her with Chomzy, all those type of thing. But we don't know how true that is. Now we hear her. So the boy can't celebrate the birthday, the mama not there for the birthday party. People can't ask say where is the mother of this child? Because Chomzy, you carry person picking, all the other attention can't there for your body, whereas the mama there for one corner for there. Nobody see her for the party. Now you can't collect all your attention. So people every say yeah, know the story, how the thing happen. Because they thought say the truth be said, they don't go court, and the man I win custody of the picking. The way it win, I mean winner in the fact say the woman na surrogate na born the pikin, which means to say they carry the woman ovary, carry the man what they call her sperm, shook am inside another woman body. Now she take on born the pikin. So as long as not be the woman the first wife born the pikin from her body, now they take win the thing. The story self tire me. If not really about surrogacy, if na truly surrogate na born the pikin, na the first wife get her. What na surrogacy? Person where we say carry pikin for belle for surrogacy, not being get the pikin now. So I don't understand what these people they talk about. Carry a toddler, small pikin wey never even sabi waka, you come out from your mama hand, they talk story. It's life now. Wow. Like we see how people take react for this thing where we say Chomzy and her newly wedded husband do. The first person here said the amount of audacity in this video is screaming my gender. In all you please don't appear weak. Now because I just laugh in Japanese. Take my child from me, as in how? Another one say take away my child at few months must be meant, because when I was pushing out the child you helped me. The audacity. If we want dey realistic, this pikin where Chomzy they do as if she loves so much. So once she born her own pikin now, the love no go dey the same. Now so it just be for real life. Cannot be alive and you go there, your husband go collect the first wife pikin from a small pikin. How you go feel if now you? How you go feel? Don't sit down for there, they spray you. No even open your mouth, follow this man talk, say guy, I beg try your mom will just and do this thing. Even if you don't talk to him and he not listening. I think all this plenty shalaye for the birthday, it wasn't necessary. Women, it go good make una learn to the value una self. Yes, no value ourselves, because once you use pikin take trap man, a lot of things can go wrong. The thing fit go left at once. You go see say some men, they go tell you to say make you get belle before they marry you. Might they not listen to that type of person. That person is evil. The man not even wait make the pikin even finish, make he drink breast finish before he carry am comot from him mama hand. Well, God dey, make everybody continue. Una take care, una bye.